How to fix can't login problem in Duolingo. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Take it simple. If you are having problem to log in into Duolingo, then I'm right here with the solution. Sometimes you can't log in into Duolingo because of the updates. So let's open Play Store and search for Duolingo. We can see the open button beside the uninstall button. That means there is no any updates in Duolingo application. Now go back to your mobile phone settings and search for apps. Tap on it and again click on Manage Apps. Search for Duolingo application and tap on it. After that, you will appear to this homepage of App Info of Duolingo application. Tap on the Clear Data option in the bottom right corner and again select Clear Cache. Confirm it by pressing on OK. Again, press on Clear All Data option and confirm it by pressing on OK. If this doesn't fix your problem, then you can also update your mobile phone software. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.